Today discussion GT95 numerical ability. Let's see the questions. Look at the first one. Three numbers are in the ratio 4:7:12. The sum of the largest and smallest numbers is 144 more than the other number is given. So three numbers means the smallest number is 4 parts, largest number is 12 parts. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 parts. From 16 parts, 7 parts will be removed. You will get, this is a middle number. Okay, smallest number and biggest number is 16 parts. From 16 parts, 7 parts will be removed. Will get 9 parts. 9 parts equal to 144. Then 9 parts equal to 144 means 1 part equal to 16. They are asking the what is the largest number. Largest number is 12 parts. 12 into 16. 16 times 160, 16 twos are 32. It is equal to what is answer? 192. Option B. This is the smallest number and biggest number. This is about middle number. Difference between smallest and big, sum of the smallest and biggest to 2, middle number difference is how many parts? 9 parts. Let's check the next one. The ratio of ages of Gaurav and Neha is 4:3. The ratio of their ages 8 years, hence will be 6:5. You can observe that clearly. It is a present is 4:3. Later on it is a 6:5. How many parts gap? 2 parts. 2 parts equal to 8 years. 1 part equal to 4 years. We need to calculate Gaurav present age. Gaurav present age how many parts? 4 parts. 4 4 is equal to how many years? 16 years. Option A. 180 liters of mayo mixture contains milk and oil. Milk and oil. Then we have a 180 liters. X liters are removed. Okay. After the X liters remove also, milk and oil ratio is what is the ratio? 5:4. Before removing, after removing, the ratio is never changed. It is always 5:4. X liters are removed. Now you are adding extra how much? 16 liters oil. That means oil will be going to changes, not milk. Na? Milk is how much? How many parts? 5 parts. And remaining mixture, then the result mixture contain equal quantities of milk and oil. That means milk is 5 parts means oil should be also 5 parts. It is becomes milk and oil becomes equal. 4 to 5, how many parts incremented? 1 part. That means you are adding oil. Oil 1 part equal to how many liters adding? 16 liters. 1 part equal to 16 liters, 5 parts, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal to, initially how many parts we have? 9 parts. 9 parts equal to how many liters? 1 part equal to 16 liter, 9 part equal to how many liters? 144 liters. Basically we have a how many liters? 180. 180 become a 144 means how many liters are removed? 36. The 36 equal to X. X equal to how many liters? 36 liter. The question is not about asking the only X, they are asking 2X plus 15. Substitute that X value is 36. 36 2s are 72 plus 15 equal to how many liters? 87. Option A. So when the milk is not removing, not adding, milk should be always equal. That is the point, should be remember it. ABC started a business with initial investments of 15,000, 12,000 and 18,000. Okay, their investments become 15:12:18. 15:12:18. This is also going to cancel with the table of 3. 3 5 times, 3 4 times, 3 6 times. Totally how many parts? 15 parts. 6 plus 4 plus 5, it is equal to how many parts? 15 parts. In this B profit is mentioned. B profit is how many parts? 4. 4 by 15. Okay. Now we share the B profit. B profit we share at 46,875. This is the overall profit. In this overall profit, how much percentage already taken out for charity? X percentage. 10% taken out means we'll write 90%. But is X percentage taken out means how to write? 100 minus X by 100. Then after that we'll implement how many parts? 4 by 5. This is for charity. This is only for charity. This is about total. And total profit we are giving to charity. Remaining value will share to whom? B will be share. B will be get how much? 4 by 15. This is equal to B sharing of how much rupees? 10,000. Okay. This is, we should simplify to getting an answer. Cancel the measurements. 4 to 10,000, it is a 2,500. 10,000. And cancel with 25. 25 hundreds and cancel with 25 here also. 25 how many times here? Otherwise. So 4 to 25. 25 hundreds. And 25 here cancel it. 25 how many times? 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25 means remaining is what? 218. Okay. 218 means 25 how many times? 8 times. 8 times means it's a 200. Now it is becomes how much? 25 ones are 25. Is it right? Better to go with the calculation of 15 here. 15 threes are 45. And next to 18. 15 ones are 15. Remaining is how much? 37. 15 twos are and 15 fives are. Okay. Now you can calculate with 25. 25 100 times and 25 to 3125 how many times? 125 times. How many times? 125 times. Then again cancel with 25. 25 fives are 25 fours are. 5 by 4 of 100 minus x is equal to 100. When it is coming to the 100 by x, 5 to 100 20 times and 4 to 20 multiplied, it is 80. Then x equal to how much percentage? 20%. Basically it is a percentage. Okay, option. A man invested certain portion of his savings worth is 1 lakh rupees. A invested A money, B invested B money, C invested C money. All A plus B plus C is equal to 1 lakh. A invested for how much percentage? 8% per annum for how many years? 2 years. 8% per annum 2 years means it is become how much percentage? 16% interest you will get. And B invested B money, 12% 2 years means it is become how much percentage? 24% interest will be get. And C invested 2 years 10% in a compound interest. Compound interest 10% 2 years means it is how much percentage? 21%. A interest, B interest, C interest, final interest is given 16:16:35. We'll cancel the measurements. 16 to 16 cancel and all the percentage is going to cancel. And cancel with 8 table. 8 threes are, 8 twos are. And cancel with 7 table. 7 threes are, 7 fives are. Okay. And 16 ones are 16. It is A equal to 1 part, B3 equal to 2 parts, C3 equal to 5 parts. Then all the terms are divisible by 3. Total equation is divisible by 3. What you will get? So A is to, B is to, C equal to. The 3 will be dividing here. The 3 will be multiplied. It is become what is the value? 3 is to 2 is to 5. Okay. Total equation. This total equation, it is a 3 will be coming to here. It is becoming 2 by 3, 5 by 3. The total ratio will be multiplied with 3. You will get 3 is to 2 is to 5. Now this is a distribution. A have a 3 parts of investment, B have a 2 parts of investment, C have a 5 parts of investment. Total is how many parts? 10 parts. 10 parts equal to 1 lakh. 10 parts equal to 1 lakh, 5 parts equal to how much rupees? 50,000. Then C investment is 50,000, option D. There is a simplification. 2 1 by 3 minus 3 4 by 5 plus 8 3 by 2 minus 6 1 by 2. This is xp by q shape is there. Every xp by q shape you can write x plus p by q also. This could be written as 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 3 minus 4 by 5 and this is a plus 8. This 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. You should convert into proper fraction. How to write? 1 1 by 2. 3 by 2 you can write 1 and half 1 1 by 2. That is also I will write 1 1 by 2. Next minus 6 and minus 1 by 2. Cancel the negative values. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel. Minus 6 minus 3 it is equal to minus 9. Minus 9 equal to plus 8 plus 9. It is equal to plus 1. Okay. Plus 9 minus 9 both are cancelled. Remaining numbers you can add it. What are the remaining numbers? Remaining numbers are what? 2. Only the 2. 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Take a LCM. Take a LCM. The LCM value is 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 twos are 30. And 3 fives are and next 5 threes are. It is equal to 12. It is equal to 12. 35 plus 12. 35 plus 12 equal to how much? 23 by 15. 23 by 15 means which option is right? Option B is right. Root of 676 value is 26. Root of 289 value is 17. X equal to 202. We should multiply both. 17 twos are 340. 17 six are 102. 102 plus 340. It is equal to how much? 340 plus 102. 102. Is it right? Then 102 will be removing from 202. Result is how much? 100. This 100 is also removed from 340. Answer is what? 240. Root of 529 value 23. 23 plus 2 equal to 25. 25 square value 625. And 525 plus 3 equal plus x. Is it right? 528 you can write 525 plus 3. 525 is removing from 625. Answer is how much? 100. From 100 3 will be removed. Answer is what? 97. 3 cube. 3 cube and into 3 to the power of minus 2, you can write minus 2, okay, and it is a 5 to the power of minus 3. When coming to the value in division, division means you can write into, that is a 5 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 minus 2 means it is only 3. 5 to the power of 3 equal to 125. 3 into 125 equal to answer is 375. Option D. When the division convert into, the negative value become a positive value in a power. 16 square, you can write 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 2 into 4 to the power of 4 divided by 4 to the power of 3, it is equal to 4 to the power of 6 equal to 4 to the power of x. Then we can say that 4 plus 4 equal to, multiplication means power should be added, it is a 8. Okay, from 8 6 will be removed, you will get what is answer? 2. Option D. 60% of 275. 60% of 275, I will take 30% of 275 double is 550 plus 755 minus 26 our value 676. Okay, 30% of 550, percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, 3 into 55. 3 into 55 equal to how much? 165 plus 755 minus 676. Okay, so we are going to removing the values. 65 plus 55, it is a 120. Okay, and 100, 700 plus 100, it is a 800. From 800, 600 will be removed, you will get 200. Okay, extra we should remove how much? 76. From 200 plus 120, 320. From 320, 76 will be removed. Okay, it is a 320. From 320, 76 will be removed. Look at, it is a 10. 10 minus 6 means last digit value is what? 4. Option is B. Here also we can do that. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 minus 6 is equal, last digit is directly will 4. Then option is B only. 15 3s is 45 plus 625 equal to 67x. It is a 10 times because 625 plus 45 670. Then option B. 2 1 by 6. It is a mixed fraction. 2 1 by 6 mixed fraction value is how much? 13 by 6. Then 13 by 6 of 90 plus 320 and 1200 minus x. 6 to 90 how many times? 15 times. 15 13s are. 15 13s value is how much? 195. Okay, 195 and 320. It is a 200 added, it is a 520, but it is belongs to 515 only. 515 is removing from 1200. X equal to 1200 minus 515. 685. Then option A. 29 square value 841 and 6 cube value is 216 plus 387, which is equal to x square. Okay, if you are adding all the values, you will get 1444. 1444 equal to x square means x equal to value is 38. 15 square value 225 minus x square root of 256 value 16 equal to 72. Okay, then 225 plus 16, 225 plus 16 equal to 241 minus 72 equal to x square. This is equal to 169. Then x square is equal to 169 means x equal to 13. Next, yeah, there is a numbers and in a data. We'll take out this data. Here, number of students who are unadmitted in 2016, who are admitted, there is a plus, and who are left from the class, it is a minus. Okay, plus is how many members are joined? 70. How many left from the school? 15 members. Okay, in 2007, 55 members are joined and 20 members are left. In 2008, 50 members are joined, 30 members are left. In 2009, 72 members joined and 28 members left. In 2010, 40 members are joined and 14 members are left. In 2011, 64 members are joined and 39 members are left. In which year more members are joined in a class or year? 2009. Get clear. But already we know 2005, particularly in 2005, already we have a how many members? 270. 270, 70 minus 15. 70 minus 15, it is a how many members finally? End of the 2016, 55 members extra joined. That means in 2006, total strength is how much? 325. Difference is 45. 70 members are joined and left in 15 members. Only differentiate between 2005 to 2016, 55 members. Then final strength in 2016 is 325. Now it is 55-25, difference is 35. Then 325-35 means in 2007 total number of students 360. And 50-30 it is a 20. 20 members are finally in 2018 there. And final members are 380. Next 72-28, 72-28, 72-22 it is a 52 minus 6 it is equal to 46. 46 or 44? 44. Okay. 44 plus 380 it is equal to how much? 424. Okay. Now it is, this is the values. 40 minus 14, 26. 424 plus 426 it is equal to 450. 64 minus 39 it is a 25. 450 means it is a 475. End of the 2011 how many number of students are in a school? 475 students are there in a school. Okay. This is the basic table. Once you will understand the table, now we will go the questions. Question is what? Look at. What is the total number of students in school in that year is maximum number of students are enrolled? In which year maximum number of students are enrolled? Coming to the school, how many members are maximum? 72 members are enrolled, who are taken admission, who are removing an admission. Okay, 72 members are enrolled in a school in which year? 2009. That is the highest number of year which are number of students are enrolled. In this finally how many number of students are there? End of the year. In 2009 end of the year how many number of students are there? 424. In which year highest number of students are enrolled? That year total number of students is value is how much? That is a 424. Option D is right. For how many years did the number of students increases less than 34? Less than 34 how many number of years? Check it. 2008 20 only, 2010 26 only, 2011 25 only. That means less than 34 means which year? How many years? 3 years. Then option A. These values are increments. Increments by less than 34 in how many years? 20, 26, 25 means it is a 3 years. Next, what is the average number of students in 2008 and 2010? 2080 value is 380 plus 2009 value 424 plus 2010 value 450. These all are added. How many number of years? 3 years. Don't take 2008 and 2010. 2008 to 2010. We'll consider 3 years. Okay. 3 years purpose. We'll simplify this. 380 plus 420 it is a 800. 800 plus 450 it is equal to 1250. 1250 plus 1224 it is equal to 1274 by 3. It is a 4. How much? 420. It is right. 428. 428 means answer is what? None of this, na? Sorry, 418. Sorry, 418. 18 3 is 18. 2008, 2009, 2010. Okay. 1254. Sorry, it is a 1254. 1254 means 418. Then option C. The number of students in 2011 is what percentage of the term? 2008. 2011 value is 475. In 2008 value is 380. We need percentage multiply with 100. 0, 0 will be cancelled. Is it cancelled with what is the table? 19 table. Check it. 19 2s are. 19 2s are. 19 how many times? 19 2s are 38. 38 means remaining is 95. 19 5s are. And 2 to 10 5 times. 25 5s are is how much percentage? 125 percentage. 125 percentage means which option is right? Option D is right. What is the difference in a number of students in 2007 to 2010? 2007 total number of students is 360. In 2010 number of students is 450. 360 to 450 difference is how much? 90. Option B. Yeah. There is a quadratic equations. Here is plus 20 is coming to the other side. It is become a what? Minus 20 equal 0. Two negatives are there. Answer is what? Cannot be determined. 3 can be multiplying to 48, which is equal to what? 144. 144 you can write what is the number? 12 12s are. 12 12s are 144 and it is a 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 and divided by 3. Divided by 3 means factors are what is the factor? 4 comma 4. And 5 can be multiplied to 13, it is a value 65. 65 factors are 13 5s are only. From 13 removing, you will get 8. And will get minus 8 means minus 13 plus 5 and divide with 5. 5 by 5 value 1 only. Comparing to positive value, negative value is always smaller. And it is a 1 only. 1 to 4 means 4 is bigger. Then answer is x greater than y. Which option is right? Option A is right. X square plus 4x plus 4. It is a factors are minus 2 minus 2. And the second equation y cube is equal to 216 means y equal to answer is what? 6. Comparing to 6 minus 2 is always smaller. Then answer is x less than y. Option B is right. Here is plus 75 is there. What is the factors? 15 5s are. And second equation factors are 6 comma 7. Okay. It is a cannot be determined. 5 to 6, 6 is bigger. 15 to 6, 15 is bigger. There is no relation. Then answer is option E. Here the factors are 5 comma 3 and with negative. And second equation factors. What is the factors? Minus 8 minus 5. Now compare it. Minus 5 to minus 5 equal, minus 5 to minus 8, minus 5 is bigger. Comparing to minus 3, minus 8, minus 5 both are smaller. Then we'll say that what is answer? X greater than or equal to y. X greater than or equal to y means option A is right. Next we have a number series. Here 7 and 8 and 18 and 66 and question mark and 1938. 17 2s are and minus 6. This is the basic logic. 7 2s are 14, 14 minus 6 8. And 8 3s are 24 minus 6. 8 3s are 24 minus 6. And 18 4s are 72 minus 6, 66. And next again it is multiply with 5, remove the 6. Okay. 66 5s is 330. In 330 6 will be removed. Answer is what is answer? 324. Then answer is 324. This 324 is multiplied by 6 and remove the 6. You will get compulsory 1938. Then here option B is D is right. Here take the differences. 104 to 162. Difference is how much? 58. And 160 to 278 difference is 116. 58 double is 116. And 116 double is 232. Then 278 plus 232 510. 232 double is 464. 510 plus 464 equal to what? 974. That means here the difference is how much? 29. From 104 29 will be removed. You will get what is answer? 75. Option C is right. 250 become a 4000. It is a multiplication of 16. Directly it is a multiplication of 16. And it is divided by 8. 4000 by 8. 4000 by 8 equal to what is the value? 500. And this 500 is multiplied with 4. 2000. And divided by 2. 1000. And multiplied with 1000. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. Here take the differences. 221 become a 350. Difference is how much? 39 or 29? 29 na? 29. And it is a difference is what? 31. 29, 31 is giving the prime numbers. Next. Here the prime numbers value. It is of 31 or 41. 41 and it is what? 43. 31 after next prime number is 37. 37 after next prime number? 41. 281 plus 37. It is answer is what is answer? 318. 318. What is answer? 320. 1 plus 7. It is 318. 318 plus 41, 359. Next. Here it is a multiplication. 8 to 4, 70 to 4 times. It is a 5 times. It is a 6 times. It is a 7 times. That means here to here it is a multiplication of 2. It is a multiplication of 3. And its answer is what is answer? 6. Option B is right. Next. A man can row upstream 15 kilometers in 4 hours. Upstream speed is how much? 4 to 15 means how much? 3.75. 15 half value 7.5. 7 point half value 3.75. Then 24 kilometer in still water. That means upstream speed you know that 3.75. And boat speed you know that 6 kilometer per hour. 4 to 24 how many times? 6 times. Basically boat speed is normally 6 kmph. It becomes 3.75 means how much decreased? 6 become a 3.75. That means how much decreased? 2.25 decreased. This 2.25 decreased because of current speed. Current speed and board speed, both are differentiate, you will get what is the speed? Upstream. And both are added, you will get what is the speed? Downstream. Then 6 plus 2 is equal to 8.25. What is required? We'll go with that. What is the ratio of downstream speed? Downstream speed is 82.25. Downstream speed is 8.25. Then speed of current speed is 2.25. This is going to calculate. Okay. Cancel with 5 table. 5 how many times? 5 ones are. So otherwise you can cancel with 25 also. 25 how many times it is? 25 nines are. 25 how many times? 3s are. 75. 25 3s are 75 means again 25 3s are. 33 and both are cancelled with 3 table. The ratio is, what is the ratio? 11:3. Option D. And increase 20% the price sugar enables to purchase 5 kg less. How many kgs you are getting less? 5 kg. Because rate of increased. How much percentage increased? 20%. 20% increased on 5 kg less amount of quantity you are getting, because you are getting a rate has increased. How much percentage increases? 20% is increased on 450. 20% is increased on 450. 1 kg value is how much? 5 kg equal to 20% of 450, then 1 kg value is how much? 5 to 450, how many times? 90 times. Percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. Then 2 nines is how much? 1 kg value 18 rupees after the increment. This is not exactly after increment. After increment 1 kg value is how much rupees? 18 rupees. But how much percentage increased? 20% is increased. Original value is 100%. Original value is 100%. 20% increase means it is how much percentage? 120%. Then 120% is equal to 18, 100% is equal to how much? This is increased price. Increased price. This is actual price or original price. Okay. So look at 26 are 25 are. 6 parts equal to 18. 6 parts equal to 18 means 5 parts equal to how much? 15 or 12? 15. Then both are multiplied. Product of actual value to increased price value is how much? 18 15 ja. 18 15 ja is equal to how much? 270. Then option A. Two boys, Sushant and Saksham, were coming towards each other. After 4 hours, they meet each other, and total distance covered by them meet each other of how many kilometers after? 720 kilometers. Find the time taken by Sushant to travel 340 kilometers with the ratio of speed. 720 kilometers 4 hours. That means speed is become how much? 180 kilometer per hour. These both are in opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. Cross each other. Okay. Then coming to each other means opposite direction. Opposite direction means their speeds are going to adding or subtracting? Adding. First person speed is 4 parts. Second person speed is 5 parts. 4 is to 5. 4 plus 5 equal to how many parts? 9 parts equal to 180 means 1 part equal to how much? 20. Then 4 parts equal to 80. Then 5 parts equal to 100. 100 plus 8 equal to again 180. Okay. The question is about to cover 340 kilometers. To cover 340 kilometers by Sushant. Sushant is first person. First person speed is how much? 80. To covering 340 kilometers at 80 kmph after every 80 kmph per 1 hour. Then 340 kilometers, how many hours journey? How many hours journey? 4.2 hours journey. How many hours journey? 4.25 hours. Then option A. Distance by time. Distance by speed. Distance by speed, it is equal to time. A is first 50% less efficient than B and C together. B can complete a work in 12 days. C can complete a work in 20 days. How many units? 60 units. 12 comma 20 LCM is 60 units. 12 to 60 how many times? 5. And 20 to 60 how many times? 3. And 5 plus 3 their efficiency is how much? 8. Out of 8 units, then A efficiency is how much? A efficiency is how much percentage less? 50% less means A efficiency is become how much? 4. All together working 5 plus 3 plus 4 how many units? 12. All together completing per day 12 units. Then 60 units purpose how many days are required? 5 days required. Then option C is right. Height of a cylinder is 1/3 of height of cone. Then finally they are asking volume of cone to cylinder. Volume of cone and cylinder. Cone volume is 1/3 pi r square h and cylinder volume is pi r square h, but different radius, different volumes, different heights. Okay, don't cancel directly. Height of a cylinder is height of a cylinder is 1/3 of height of cone. That means cone height is 3 parts, means height of the cylinder is how many parts? 1 part. Okay, then we'll write cone is 3 parts height, 3 meters, then cylinder height is how many parts? 1 part, and it is a pi will be cancelled, not matter about pi, it is 1/3 and is r square. What is the radius? Cylinder radius is how many parts? 5 parts, then r square, it is a 25, because 5 square na 5 parts, radius is 5 centimeter, you can assume it radius square means 25. Then cone radius is 2 parts, cone radius is 2 parts means cone radius is become square, square means how much? 4, and we'll cancel it. Here is 3 will be cancelled, the ratio is, what is the ratio? 4:25, 4:25 means option E is right. Okay, thank you.